Hello everyone, our project is about controlling computer with a hand gesture. Let's see the demonstration first. When we put a left hand in front of the sensor at a particular distance and if moved toward the sensor, then it will get backward and forwarded. And we can also pause and restart the video by placing the right hand at a particular distance and the video will get stopped. Now we can also control the PDF file by using the left hand and the PDF file pages will get scrolled up and down. According to the hand gesture. Now let's see the demonstration of our project. This is the component part. This is the Arduino board, which is connected to the two ultrasonic sensors. Each ultrasonic sensor having 4 pins, which are for ground, VCC connection, trigger and the echo. These all pins are connected to the digital pins of Arduino board, which are 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. The ground and VCC connection is connected through a breadboard on the Arduino board. Same, the second ultrasonic sensor is also connected to the breadboard and then to the Arduino board for ground and VCC connection, which is of 5 volt. Let us see how the programming is written to perform the above action. Start with the defining I/O pins. Here are the initialization of a trigger and echo pin of both the ultrasonic sensors. The two ultrasonic sensors are connected to the digital pins, which are 2, 3 and 5 and are powered by +5 voltage. Time taken is initialized as long and distance L and R for left and right hand gesture, which is initialized as int. Now this is the main part where the input and output pin mode is defined. We need to calculate the distance between the sensor and the hand each time before concluding on any action. So we have to do it many times, which means this code should be used as a function. We have written a function named calculate distance, which will return us the distance between the sensors and hand. These all are the calculation part for identifying the hand movements. Inside our main loop, we check for the value of a distance and perform the action mentioned above. Before that, we use two variables dist L and dist R, which gets updated with current distance value. Since we know the distance between both the sensors, we can now compare it with predefined value and arrive at a certain action. Since we know the right hand alone is placed the module, then we fast forward, pause and restart the video and by placing the left hand we can fast forward the video by one step and backward the video. The rewind or a forward will be sent out through a serial port. These are all the calculation part. Now let's see the Python program. We have imported all the 3 required modules for this project. Serial imported for the serial communication. Next we establish the connection with the Arduino through COM port. Use device manager to find to which COM port your Arduino is connected to and correct the following line. Inside the infinite while loop, we repeatedly listen to the COM port and compare the keywords with any predefined word and make keyboard processes accordingly. This was all the coding part. Thank you for watching our video. Hello everyone, our project is about controlling computer with a hand gesture.